Specimen 5, an express horror story by Stephen St. Clair. Read by Neurological. Overall, the upper part of the animal's pelt is covered by jet black fur. Closely resembles that found in felines, but shorter, with what's best described as an oily texture, unlike that found in cats. On the underside of the body, the coat is grey-black, coat of the same texture. The teeth are best described as needle-like, evidence of vestigial venomous adaptation. Skull closely similar to a small rodent, but of course much larger. Overall, Specimen 5 is about the size of a large domestic cat. Both the fore and hind limbs are short in proportion to their rather flat body. These end in paws, all four of which resemble those of a small primate or raccoon. The tail is pig-like. Overall impression. Here I must be careful, under the extreme isolation and stress I'm under. I am convinced that these animals caused the explosion on the lower levels of the base. How, and how many of them are there? Evidently a large number. Specimen 5 was the most intact one of the 5 bodies. I think others were deliberately removed. There. I said that at least. My own cats can't abide the thing. Winston, normally the most placid old thing, nearly went mad when I brought it in. Bit me and drew blood. I had to lock all the cats up. The creature has the same musty, spicy smell as a cat, but somehow utterly disgusting. I wonder what articulation is like in life. Get the impression of a slinking waddle, seen from above the broad shoulders, triangular head and narrowed hind quarters. Somehow brings to mind catfish. I don't have the equipment to examine the DNA. I keep avoiding the thing's eyes, but here goes, and I'll get to the other things, don't worry. The eyes are big in proportion to the face. No cornea, no iris. Yellow. A sickening yellow color. The king in yellow. Must stay focused. I am a scientist. I examined them closely. Evidently, they are completely composed of millions and millions of fibrous ganglia that lead directly into the brain. What information are those organs designed to receive? Why do I insist on saying it's dreams they look at? And there are no digestive organs, no reproductive organs. I actually found that easier to put down than I thought I would. Don't think that's necessarily a good thing. And someone, it wasn't me, has written something all over my notes. Again and again. Zoogs. I hope my cats talk to me again, like they did when I brought it in.